Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change spark plugs on a Ram 1500 Hemi. First, gather your tools, including a 5/8-inch spark plug socket, a ratchet, extensions, and a torque wrench. Make sure your engine is completely cool to avoid burns and ensure proper spark plug removal. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your battery before beginning any electrical work. This simple preparation saves time and prevents potential issues. Now, let's get to removing those old spark plugs. Gently disconnect and remove the ignition coils from each spark plug. It's a good idea to label them if you're worried about mixing them up. Before unscrewing, use compressed air to blow away any dirt or debris around the spark plug wells. This prevents contaminants from falling into the combustion chamber. Then, use your spark plug socket to carefully unscrew and remove each old plug. With the old plugs out, it's time for the new ones. Apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads of each new spark plug. This helps prevent them from seizing in the cylinder head over time. Carefully hand-tighten each new spark plug into its well to avoid cross-threading. Once snug, use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified torque, which is often around 13 foot-pounds for a Hemi engine. Almost done, reconnect all the ignition coils securely to their respective spark plugs. Double-check that all connections are firm. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your Ram 1500 Hemi and listen for any unusual sounds, ensuring everything is running smoothly. This easy method helps keep your engine performing at its best. Also, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.